In this video, you'll learn how to acquire Tron using the Trust Wallet application. By following these steps, you will be able to purchase Tron and manage it directly from your wallet. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to Google. Once the Google homepage loads, you can search for the Trust Wallet extension, which is necessary for this process. After that, click on the appropriate link for the Trust Wallet extension. This action will redirect you to the official Trust Wallet page. Confirm that you are on the correct site before proceeding. Once you are on the Trust Wallet page, locate and click on the option labeled Funding. This will take you to the funding options available within your Trust Wallet. Next, select the button that says Buy Crypto. This option allows you to purchase cryptocurrencies directly through your Trust Wallet interface. Following that, you will see an option labeled Choose a Crypto. Click on it to proceed to the next step where you can select which cryptocurrency you wish to buy. At this point, click on the search feature. This will open a search bar where you can enter the name of the cryptocurrency you want to purchase. Type in Tron into the search bar. As you type, suggestions may appear based on your entry. Ensure you are selecting the correct cryptocurrency. After finding Tron in the search results, click on the option that corresponds to it. This action will select Tron for your purchase. Now, you need to specify the amount of Tron you wish to buy. Enter the desired quantity in the provided input field. Once you have entered the amount, click on the Continue button to proceed with your transaction. This will typically prompt a confirmation screen for your purchase. That completes the process of acquiring Tron on Trust Wallet. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.